Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your password of Grindr's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your Grindr account's password, firstly go ahead and open up your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr's application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and from the displayed options, click on settings. You will end up on the settings page of Grindr application. Click on password. Enter your current password and create a new password for your Grindr's account. Confirm your new password by re-entering your password and tap on change password. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change Grindr account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.